Hello, back with me Beno in my channel, and now I would like to present you. I want to unbox and review the new release of DBZ. This times it comes from the Mandalorian. Yeah, another Mandalorian, another Dinjarin, and another Grogu. This times they're coming with the Maldo Kreiss theme. Yeah, the Maldo Kreiss, if I'm not mistaken for the pronunciation. And Maldo Kreiss was a terrestrial ice planet, and the Mandalorian bounty hunter crash landed on Maldo Kreiss after being pursued by two New Republic pilots. And while repairing his ships, he was attacked by knobby white ice spiders, as you can see from this figure. Yeah, the spiders, and actually they was rescued by the New Republic pilots, and after that they left the Mandalorian with his damaged ship, and Jarin thus depart the planet for his intended destinations. And finally, I think the episode for this planet is just a filler episode from their journey. Yeah, the filler episode, the really filler. They just want to make the Mandalorian come into a ice planet. Yeah, so I think they just want to make the Mando visit all kind of terrain type. Yeah, the desert planet, and then the water planet, and then the icy planet. And now actually these figures only exclusively available only on Walmart. Yeah, but since I live in Indonesia, an Asian country, we've got the figures in another place directly from Hong Kong, I think. Yeah, and now let's see me unpackaging this figure, this badass. This is overpowered in scale from the regular release of DBZ style. Look at the size. This one is bigger and wider, and look at that spider thing. It's just like an alien egg hatch. And let's just open it. I'm not a cardboard or box collector, so I'm just doing it brutally. Let's just open this one, and we've got the spiders, the white spiders. They have 6 legs. Yeah, oh, my mistakes, they still have 8-leg freak, as you know, as you name it for spiders in this real world. We've got 2 similar spider. Let me just zoom in my video and focus here. Yeah, we've got 2 similar spiders. The ice spiders, the name is knobby white ice spiders. They are ice, and then thus they are white. Oh, we've got another bigger spider, and actually you can articulate the legs like this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 articulated legs for the bigger spider. The anatomy is just like this. This is a spider. They have kind of mouth, succumb mouth. They will suck you out, your brain out. Okay, this is the spider, and the last is the hatch, egg hatch for the last part of the spider. We've got some egg with opening on the top of it with green slimy, and we've got the Grogu here, covered, weathered in snow. This is the Grogu. And finally, this is the Din Djarin, the Mandalorian, with the ice weathering, white weathering covering most of his body part. Let's see, this is the blaster. He still has his hole for the rifle and then the jetpack. This time he didn't come with the jetpack. He can still finger the trigger. Trigger with the finger. Then this is the weapon. The articulation is very good, because you know what, he is the ultimate Din Djarin nowadays. I think the one Din Djarin that come with the Razor Crest is this one, but without the weathering. You know, like I have here another version of Din Djarin. You can see them. This is the new one, and this is the dirty one. You don't want to see him. And let's compare it with the regular version of Din Djarin. They share the same color, but what do you get here is the new version of Din Djarin, the ultimate version. And what is the difference? And the differences is about in the lower part of his body, because in this lower part, he gets some new sculpted in his armor, tight armor, with some, he comes with some what do you call, some relic or some molding in his right tight, and this one, he came with rocker ankle. This time he comes with the rocker ankle, the most anticipated kind of articulation in the new era of DBZ. This one is ball jointed, this one is rocker ankle. We've got the rocker ankle before the ultimate version that comes with the Razor Crest, and look like this is a new part in his armor. He missed this part of his armor in the older release. And also for the Grogu, I have the two kind of Grogu, the old one, the one that came with the old Din Djarin, and this is the old Grogu, and the right side is the newest Grogu with the snow weathering. But actually this is the exact same 100% molding from the previous Grogu. He got his ear going down. The eyes might be different, but actually it's just the paint that differed, and it's really identical, the same sculpting with recolor and weathering. I thought this was the another version, but I'm quite disappointed with this new release. But at least we've got the new rocker ankle and the more screen accurate lower part of the body from Din Djarin. Okay, that's it. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next DBZ video. Okay, may the force be with you. This is the way, and bye bye. Terima kasih sudah menonton. Jangan lupa tonton video aku yang lainnya. Dan jangan lupa untuk di subscribe. Bye-bye.